Okay, hello fifth graders. As you see, I have my solar ovens set up here. I have box 1 over here with my paper towel, or no, sorry, my newspaper, I keep saying paper towel, and my plastic bag over here. And I have my handy thermometer, which I know you guys don't have this fancy thing at home. As you can see, my beginning temperature for box 1 is 37.1 and 43.7 or 43 and 7 tenths. For box 2, I'm going to write that down as my beginning time. It has been 5 minutes and you see the new reading, 37 and 1 tenth for the box 1 with the newspaper, and for box 2 it is 47 and 3 tenths degrees Celsius. So a bit of change, but not much. Okay, so it has been 5 more minutes and you will see my first box with the newspaper has jumped up to 52 and 2 tenths degrees Celsius, while the plastic bag is holding pretty close to the same at 45 and 1 tenth. Actually, it just went down. That could have something to do with the breeze. There's a bit of a breeze outside, and that happens, and that's okay. So that's a bit of a change there in our temperatures, but we'll continue to monitor it for a few more times. Okay, fifth graders, we are back 5 minutes later through the magic of time. And you'll see the first box is kind of holding steady. It is at 53.9 degrees Celsius, and my box on the right is 44.5 degrees Celsius. Now, just so you know, the temperature outside right now is 34.5 degrees Celsius in the shade. In a minute here, I'm going to do one more test, one more 5-minute run. And then I will move it to the shade and we'll see how well these materials insulate and keep the temperature. So will it be the plastic bag? Will it be the newspaper? Who knows? We will find out soon. You'll find out soon. Okay, fifth grade, here we are 5 minutes after the last time. And the temperature still has not changed a whole lot. So we are going to now see how well these boxes insulate. So the first box is 55 and 1 tenth, so actually went up to 2 tenths, and 46 and 4 tenths for box 2. And the sun just went behind the cloud, so who knows, it may go down a little bit. That's okay. So I'm going to move these into the shade, and I'm going to time how long it takes them to get down to the shade temperature, which is 34 degrees and 34 and 5 tenths degrees Celsius. Okay, now fifth graders, I want you to notice it has been like seconds since I have gotten in the shade, and box 2 is already at, hold on, 38.5. And box 1 is at 42.2. It is going down rapidly. So, box 2 is my one with the plastic bag. It looks like, even though, sorry, I'm saying that backwards, it did not do a very good job of getting it hot, or is it doing a very good job of insulating it? Interesting. Now, my paper bag is at 41.6, and it is going down slightly. So I'm going to continue timing it, and I will come back and tell you what the time is when it gets to 34 and 5 tenths. So at 5 minutes and 5 seconds, box 2 finally has gotten down to the temperature it is here in the shade. But box 1 with my newspaper in it is still holding a little bit warmer. Again, it's not a huge bit warmer, so it's not the best insulator, but it is a better insulator than the plastic bag was. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are at 11 minutes, and box 1 is still, oh, you can't tell, it just turned off. Here, hold on. See, I pushed the little green button to make it come back on. It's at 35 and 1 tenth. It is not wanting to go down. Well, it is gone down a little, but very, 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 very slowly. So I'm going to go ahead and call it right now, even though, you know, I really scientifically should wait longer, but it's getting hot out here, etc., etc. We can tell, though, that obviously the newspaper did a better job insulating.